Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful day today. They said it might be 30% chance of rain here in Florida, but I'm gonna do an oil change on this 2000. I'm in the vehicle right now, as you can see. This 2011 Toyota Camry. This is the LE, the 2.4 liter motor, so it's a 4-cylinder motor, and I'm gonna do an oil change on it, and I'm also do a video on how to reset the oil life as well, so stick around. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm in the vehicle. I'm gonna show you guys when your vehicle tells you that it need an oil change. Sometime when you go to the shop, they'll put it on the write down the mileage that it until then. That's for the older vehicles. The newer ones, you don't really need to go by the mileage, really, because the vehicle usually tells you. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. In all Toyotas, and I think Lexus as well, it's going to come up with this warning sign right here that said maintenance required. And when it's getting close to the oil change coming, when you start the engine, it's going to just start blinking. Then it's going to stop blinking. It's going to just turn off completely. But when you really need one, when your oil change is due, it's going to come up saying right here, maintenance require solid. So it's always going to show, no matter if you start the engine, whatever, until you get an oil change done and you reset it. That's when that light, that maintenance require light, is going to turn off. But I'm gonna get down to business. I'm gonna start the oil change process like right now. Alright guys, let me start the process. The pan is like right here. It's 14 millimeter to break that bolt loose. Got the socket, it's a 14. And for me to take off the filter is right here at the top. They have a special tool for that, but if you don't have the special tool, to get that off, you can basically use this. You can get it at Walmart for cheap. Use a clamp tool to take off that filter. Filter is basically just like the Avalon filter is the cartridge one. And of course I got my jack stand, and I got my jack extra for extra protection, guys. So let me break this loose and get on with it. Make sure it's the right. Turn it to the left. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So it's loose. Let's start draining some oil, guys. Remember, this is the 2011 Toyota Camry. This is the LE model. This is the 4-cylinder. So and for this one recommended 0 W20 oil. I'm gonna use the advanced full synthetic mobile one, 0 W20. Let this oil drain, and I'm gonna get to that filter. So I broke it loose, as you can see. It's leaking low slowly, so I haven't really take it off, but here he goes. Yep, there it goes, guys. Get that filter off. And looks, as I said, looks just like the one for the Avalon. This is the cartridge filter. And I'm gonna tell you guys the part number. You can pick it up basically at Walmart for like cheap. It's like real cheap, like probably like, they have this one right here. This is the SuperTech ST9972, and this is what we're gonna use, guys. We're gonna also replace the seal. Some of them don't really come with none, but let's get down to business. Yeah, as you can see, I had just popped in the filter, the new one, and the seal, this black seal right here. This come with the packaging. They have the small one, they have the little thing that you could drain it the other way, but it takes too long to drain it this way. So let me just replace the seal. It's hard to do it with one hand, guys, but you just got to get it through this, the one at the bottom, basically. You got to get it through. Okay, guys, I replaced the seal. As you can see, hopefully you can see it because it's black. So yeah, it's basically right there. Right there, that's the seal. That's the old one, so I already replaced it. And I'm gonna put the filter back in. It's real easy and simple, guys. It's nothing hard. All you need is just the tool to do it. And I'm gonna just hand tighten it because you don't really, no tool required to tighten this back up. So I'm gonna just hand tighten it. And once it's hand tightened that you can't do it no more, that's good. And I'm gonna just let that drain for a little bit more. And I'm gonna put back in the drain plug and tighten it back up, and we'll continue from the top. Guys, I'm gonna tighten it up. And that should be good. Do not want to over tighten it. Do not want to strip the threads. So that's tight enough, guys. All right, let's get to the top and start pouring some oil back into the vehicle. All right, guys, this is the oil that I'm going to use, Mobil 1 0W20, which recommended by the owner's manual. And because she lived like more in the cold climate, because it be snowing and all kind of stuff, it be real cold over in Georgia. So it's easy for the vehicle to the oil to lubricate the whole engine in cold temperatures. So I guess, well, mostly Toyotas in the 4-cylinder, just like the Corolla, they recommend 0W20. In the owner's manual, I think you could also use 0W40, 5W30 as well. So, but this is what the car recommended. I'm gonna go with the car recommended, guys. And they say 5 quarts, but in reality, it's actually 4.7, which the car recommended. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna pour the oil in, and here we go. Just taking it. And guys, it's not good to overfill the vehicle with oil, and it's not good to drive on low oil consumption. The both is bad. Too much oil could ruin the engine. A little bit of oil could damage the engine as well. So you just have to make sure you put in the right amount of oil, and this will protect your vehicle. Your vehicle will have better engine life. You will not have no engine problems once you change your oil regularly on every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or whenever the vehicle warns you to change it. Just go and change it. Do not hesitate. Do not waste no time. Just get it done as soon as possible, because you changing your oil is way cheaper than buying a new car or putting in a different engine in your vehicle. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Once again, this is a 2011 Toyota Camry. This is the LE model, the 2.4 liter, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Peace out. And bye-bye.